Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. In this video, I'm going to explore and learn about Power Automate. I don't know anything about Power Automate. I'm just going to experiment with the Power Automate app, what can be done with it. Let's get into the video. So now I'm in the Power Automate homepage, as well as I have also Power Automate desktop application. So first of all, I would need to go to office.com. Here I would need to log into the office.com website. Right in the left side, if you look at the all applications now to your account, this is Power Automate, and then I really don't know what the Power Automate is. In this video, I'm going to explore it. So I thought that let's explore it together. So now again, I'm in the Power Automate homepage. I'm going to set some settings, like my location is in India. My location is India. Promotional emails. Okay, that is fine for me. It's working. It's taking some time. Then, so this is my homepage. I'll show you the step by step how we can automate the tasks. So on the left side, you have these many options like home, approvals, my flows, create, templates, connectors, data, monitor, all, AI builder. Here we are on the Power Automate homepage. Let's take a moment to look at all the options here. So there are few samples like analyze reports with the process advisor. Okay, these are really featured templates collections. So I think these are all the automations like all templates, topics for me, shared with me, remote work, approvals, button, wow, Visio, data collections, email, save Outlook email attachment to your OneDrive, save email attachments from Outlook to Dropbox, calendar, get daily reminders from your outlook.com email, schedule a reply. It's really interesting about Power Automate. Okay, this is all about the Power Automate web version. Now I will go to the Power Automate desktop application. So where I got this from, so I just opened Microsoft Store. This is the Microsoft Store app. So I'm now using Windows 11. So this is the Microsoft Store app. Right here, I got the Power Automate application from the Microsoft Store. Okay, now there is a 1-minute video. Let me watch it.
Welcome to Microsoft Power Automate, where your repetitive, mundane, personal tasks and business processes get taken care of automatically. And now that Power Automate is free with Windows 10 and 11, it's even easier to get on board. Why not start with something simple?
It is free with the Windows 10 and 11. Okay.
Let's clean up your folders and keep them clean by automatically finding and deleting empty files. It's easy. In the Examples section, click on Desktop Automation. Then click on Find and Delete Empty Files. You can use this templated version by clicking here, or this option lets you easily customize the flow in the designer. Let's keep it simple for now. Next, give your flow a test run to make sure everything works okay. And hit Save As. And name it. And just like that, you never have to find and delete empty files again. Pretty simple, huh? No coding required. And customizing your flows or creating them from scratch is drag and drop easy. And that's just one of tons of things you can automate to make your life easier now. Poke around the other examples. Give it a go. Play around. After that, check out our YouTube channel for a little more inspiration. Before you
Okay,
know it,
that's what
you'll
I'm
be
making.
automating everything so you can focus your attention where it's needed most.
Okay, that is the video. So this is the Power Automate, right? So this is the web version. So this is the templates. For example, I'll go to all templates. Let me save Gmail attachment to a Dropbox folder. Let me open this Gmail to Dropbox. Okay, this flow will connect to Gmail as well as the Dropbox. I don't have a Dropbox account. Okay, let's try with the Power Automate web. Sorry, desktop application. So Excel automation. So there are in Power Automate desktop. I have Excel automation. In Excel automation, launch Excel and extract a table, search and replace the Excel values, consolidate the Excel reports. Wow, manipulate the Excel data using SQL. Manipulate the Excel data using SQL. This is so interesting. Okay, I'll again go to okay. So this is also a okay. So yeah. If you look at this option, so this is the homepage of this example. So if you click here, you will get back to the all the options again. What is this? So this is a Excel automation. Automate repetitive Excel tasks like extract and store data into Excel files, read and manipulate cells, and manage spreadsheets. Okay, this is what I can do. In web automation, what we can do using web automation: automate web application, populate forms, extract structured data from web pages, and create reports using web data. Wow, let's dive deep into this as well. Desktop automation: automate your daily desktop routine like launching applications, interact with Windows, and extract the data for further processing in your flows. Wow. Datetime handling datetime data like perform calculations using datetime values and make conversions between datetime and text values. Scripting: simplify administrative procedures, avoid interacting with complex user interfaces, and implement custom behavior in your desktop flows using scripting. Okay, let's look into that as well. Create maintainable desktop flows using subflows, transfer the running point using labels, implement advanced logic using conditional logical. Okay, PDF automation: automate PDF workflows, extract the data from PDF pages, manipulate the PDF files, and generate the new files by splitting existing ones. Wow. Let's see what can we do. Okay, first of all, let's get started with the desktop automation. So here in the desktop automation, there are 11 examples. Okay, so the very first task is add date time to file names. Okay, add date time to file names. What is this option? So this is the edit option. What we can do, so using, if I click the edit option, add date time. Okay, I think this is the workflow of the Power Automate, getting the things ready, add date time to file names. Okay, now desktop flow designer, this is the low code canvas where you can design, develop, and troubleshoot your flows. Okay, this is the low code. Okay, you don't need to really work on the codes. Okay, continue. Get files in a folder. If button pressed equal to OK, record steps of your flow. Organize your automation with subflows. Put certain actions into subflow to reuse them anywhere. This is just like a macro. Okay. Use variables to store data. Refer to them in subsequent actions. So to input and output variables may be used to pass information externally. Okay. Let's see. Capture image. Add a element. Next. 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 This is really cool actually, right? So okay, Power Automate console. Okay, that we can call as a Power Automate console. Okay, next, this is the settings. Okay, this is the search tools where we can search the workflows. Build your first automated workflow, 14 minutes. Okay, this is where it is taking me to the um, this documentation, training documentation from learning.microsoft.com. I don't really need this. Let's close this as of now. Okay, copy files. Let's see if what happens if I click. This is run. Okay, creating copies of files, folders. What is this? Creating copies of files of folder is a fundamental ability. Okay, what did it do? What's that? Find and delete empty files. Okay, run. What is some? Okay, this is the notification actually I'm getting. Please select a folder to delete. Okay, this is asking me. This is asking me to. Okay, I'll go to libraries, go to documents. I'll press. Oh, documents. Okay. I. Okay. Now, yeah, we are on exploring about Power Automate, right? So add date time to file names. Okay, let's see what happens if I run this. Okay, so I got a pop-up where I will have to browse the files, right? So what can I do? I can just go to my documents. Let me go to Alteryx sample. Then I click OK. Okay, done. Is it done? Wow, let me check. I'll go to documents in my Alteryx sample. Wow, it added the date date time to my file names. That's really cool of this. Okay, copy files. This is so this workflow we have already tried. Find and delete empty files. What is find and delete empty files? Let's see what happens. Managing large amount of files, time consuming task. Okay, so again I got a pop-up. I'll just go to downloads and I click OK. Right. Find and delete empty files completed successfully. I got a notification here. Okay, open a folder. Print documents. Printer documents. Okay. Run an application. What is an application? Run an application. We got a preparing. We got it. Then I'll go to desktop. Right. So this is my other back. Yes, I got my other card backside is open. Send the text to notepad, right? Let's see what happens. So okay, send the text to notepad. Hi, this is my text in notepad. Okay, then okay, yeah, I'm able to do this. Save, don't save. Okay, delete file specific. Delete files of specific size range. Okay, delete files of specific size range. I just preparing, it's running. I got a pop-up like this. What is the minimum size of files that you want to delete in KB? Okay, 1 KB and KB, 5 KB, 10 KB. Okay, next. And it also gave me a pop-up to select the folder. I'll select downloads. Okay, I don't know what is happening in the background, but it's working successfully. Now this is all about the example. So these are all the desktop automation workflows. Let's go to web automation. What we have a web automation. Open a web page. If I open a web page, what is going to happen? So okay, I got a. Please provide the address to launch. Okay, so if I open this, yeah, I got it. What I did, I added www.google.com. Okay, now I need, let me close this browser. I need www.pro.microsoft.com. Okay, need www.google.com. Okay, I got the Google. Then take a screenshot of a web page, get metadata of a web page. Let's see what happens now. Okay, I want metadata. www.facebook.com. Where is the metadata? Flash me. The title of the given web page is Facebook verified account shared with public verified account. Okay, this is how get metadata of page, no keyword specific web page. Okay, okay. This is we am getting back to back pop-ups. Do you want to save the HTML source of a given web page locally? No, I don't want. Okay, this workflow got completed. The next automation is scripting. Display JavaScript output. Wow, we can do this as well. Display PowerShell script output. Display Python script output. Display VB script output. Convert Excel into PDF using VB script. Okay, extract text from Word document using VB script. Okay, let's edit. So this is the Power Automate canvas. Okay, we are not going to look into the canvas right now. We are just exploring the uh, what is there in the Power Automate. Trim text. Okay, so these are all the steps, I guess. What we can do, we can edit this variables, custom designer. Oh, this is just like Power Automate. One more automation tool, RPA, robotic process automation. So right, so this is the overview of the Power Automate desktop application, where we can find my flows examples. Right, in examples we have different kind of options like Excel automation, web automation, desktop automation, blah blah blah. Then let's go to build your desktop flows. Okay, start with an example. Okay, so these are all the examples we can go, and these are all the tutorials of Power Automate. So if I click this option, it is taking me to the uh, um, Microsoft CDN, where we can learn the Power Automate. Right, get started with. So these are all the automation tutorials. These are all some useful links. Right, what's new? So these are all the new all improvements updates in the Power Automate. Right. So this is all about Power Automate designer. I would say Power Automate application, which is developed by Microsoft. Okay, so now, so that's it for this video. In the next video of Power Automate learning series, we are going to look at this interface, where we can build our. So these are the two where we can build our Power Automate workflow, where we can automate the some tasks, or we can just try to uh, automate some tasks like, email retrieve email messages or send mail. So let's automate this send mail in the next coming video. Let's try to experiment on that. So okay, this is the Power Automate canvas. Okay, so this is where we can use all these features we have. So since we already know about this, that is, this is a low code application, right, where we don't need to do where we don't need to write much code. This is just a drag and drop uh, feature. Like wait for window, what happens if I wait for window, find a window, title or list. Okay, so these are all the some actions we can perform using Power Automate. Let's dive deep into the canvas in the next video, and have a great rest of your day. That's it for this video. Bye bye, take care, Jai Hind.